What's going on everyone? Today we're going to be learning how to create a simple flag animation in Blender. I'm going to try to keep it as easy as I can so you guys can follow along. First things first, select all the objects in your scene and go ahead and just delete that. Next we're going to click Add, Mesh, Plane. Make sure your plane is selected, and under the object properties, for rotation X, we're going to type in 90 degrees, and then scale X, we're going to type in 1.6. Then on the Z axis, under the location, you can go ahead and just raise it a little bit. Great. Now we've got our basic flag set up. Next thing we're going to do is select the plane, hit tab on our keyboard to enter edit mode, right click on our mouse, and hit subdivide. And now we can make the subdivision anywhere between 20 to 30, so I'm going to put this at 25. You can go ahead and deselect that, zoom in, and make sure you're looking at this head on. Then go ahead and select the point on the very left side, head over to the data properties tab, click plus, rename it to pins. Go ahead and assign that. Hit tab on our keyboard to exit back into object mode. Now we can add some simulation to this. Make sure your plane is selected, go over to the physics tab, click cloth, and then we're going to select cotton. We're just going to scroll down under shape where it says pin groups, just click that and select the pins that we've created earlier. Then under collisions, we're going to enable the self collisions button. Next thing I'm going to do is actually animate this. Go over to the add button, under force field, click wind. You can just place this wherever you want, so I'm just going to place it a little bit to the side. Go back to the physics tab, and then under strength, we're just going to hit 2500. Now if you play it back, you can see that the flag is indeed animated, but I am noticing that it looks kind of pixelated, so we're going to fix that. Select your flag, right click on your mouse, and simply click shade smooth. Now if we play it back, it looks a lot smoother. Awesome. Next thing I'm going to do is just simply add a cylinder, and we're going to create the pole for this flag. Scale that down a little bit, roughly put it in the corner of this flag. Make sure your object is selected, and under object properties, we're just going to boost the Z axis a little bit. Next, select your flag. Hold shift on your keyboard and click the cylinder. On your keyboard, click Ctrl P, it'll bring up a new menu. All we gotta do is just hit Object Keep Transform. If you select the pole and move it anywhere, the flag is attached to it. Next thing we're gonna do is actually just bake the animation. So go ahead and select your flag, go back to the physics tab, scroll to the bottom where you see cache, and then just click bake over here and let it do its thing. Once that's finished, you can go ahead and delete your wind. When we play back, we've got a full flag animation set up. Now we're just going to add some textures and materials to this. Go over to the shading tab over here, select your pole, click new over here. All we're going to do is just boost the metallic a little bit and bring down the roughness a little bit, just so it looks like a metallic object. We're just going to select the flag, click new, and then under add, hit the spacebar, and we're going to type in image texture. I actually have a flag of Canada that I saved, so we're going to be using this. Click open so we can select our image, and I'm just going to click my flag of Canada over here. All you got to do is connect the nodes from color to base color. Boom, you can see that the image has been attached to the flag. Now we can just go back to the layout window. Under viewport shading, just select that and click play. We can see that we've animated our flag. Pretty cool, huh? At this point you can add more stuff to your scene or just go ahead and render that. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you learned something, please hit like and subscribe and leave a comment for anything else that you might want to learn. My name is Benny, and I'll see you guys next time.